Do you want to learn how to copy trade some of the best meme coin traders out there right now in 2024? You can see that there are traders turning $80 into over $20,000, $160 into $15,000, $7,000 into over $20,000. These traders, some of the top meme coin traders, and I'm going to show you in today's video exactly how you can actually copy trade them automatically using a Telegram trading bot. Automatically, as soon as they take a trade, as soon as they sell out of your position, the trading bot will follow their exact wallet positions and get you in and out of these super profitable meme coin traders. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. The Telegram trading bot is Trojan on Solana. It allows you to copy trade wallets, and I'm first going to show you how we can actually find some super profitable traders, and then I'll show you straight in Trojan on Solana exactly how you can set up the Telegram bot to copy trade these traders and everything you need to know about Trojan on Solana. And make sure to check out the link in this video description and in the comment section. It's going to give you a massive discount on fees when you use Trojan on Solana. First, let's go over and find some of these profitable meme coin traders. So the way that we can actually find some of these profitable meme coin traders is first coming over to Deck Screener, filtering through for Solana, because we're only looking at Solana meme coins because we want to be trading using Telegram, and this focuses on Solana. We can see all the top trending coins for the last 24 hours. I like clicking on this 24 hours, see all the trending coins for the last 24 hours. I like to see some of these coins that are up quite big in the last 24 hours, at least over 1,000%. So we can open up a couple of these coins right here. We can actually go over and see the top traders in the market. Once we've now found the coin, we can actually use this widget, scroll all the way up, come over to this top traders tab, and we'll now be able to see all of the top traders. See, this trader turned $1,600 into $36,000. That's actually fantastic. I do like traders that are trading at least $500 plus and $1,000. It means that usually when you go and assess their wallet, you'll actually be able to find traders that are actually not just trading very small amounts, but actually have some Solana in their wallets and are potentially super profitable. So the way that we can actually, let's say that this is the wallet, the way that we can actually find it, scroll over to the right hand side, see this EXP right here. We actually click right here. It's going to take us over to solscan.io, which is basically the explorer for Solana, and we'll be able to track everything about the wallet. So we'll open that up now. We see on Solscan, you can double check the actual wallet. So we come over to here, you can see the wallet 2PDZQF. Come over to here, you can see 2PDZQF. So this is the wallet, and we can see right here, see the Solana balance, $34,000. Right now he's holding 8 tokens, but they are actually only worth 33 cents. So basically all of these tokens are not worth anything. And we can actually go through and see all of his latest transfers. So we come over to here to SPL transfers, and this is how we can actually see. So we can see all of the latest transactions right here coming out. So we can track all of the coins. You can see right here an hour ago, he bought DGen with, and then he sold all of his DGen with. We can come over to this left-hand side. So we click on this little eye right here, and we can see the swap was for basically 5 Solana for the 20 million DGen with. And we can actually see what did he sell it for. So the sell was slightly less. He bought for 4.95 and he sold all for 4.91. We can track all of these buys and sells. We can track another trade, IYKYK. So right here, this was the buy. So the buy for 9.9 Solana, and then the sell was broken up into 2 equal sells. So we can see the first sell, 9.9. First sell was for 6.3. Second sell, 5.7. So you can see actually made profit on that one. 5.7, 6.3, decent amount of profit. That's actually 12 Solana, and he actually bought in for 9.9. So profit right there. All right, I've now found another trader right here. Traded for nearly $800, 3 transactions, sold for $13,000. We're going to go over here, click on the Solscan Explorer, so we can actually go ahead and have a look. So it's got nearly $20,000 worth, $200 worth of tokens, SPL transfers. Let's come and have a look. So Baby Michi was the one that he made all his money on. So we can see the buy here, 54,000. So bought for 2 Solana, bought for 3 Solana total, then sold it all for 80 Solana. Oh wow, so he made a really good amount right there. You can see some of his other buys and sells. So CatDev bought this for basically 2 Solana, sold for 2.14, so he made some money. First Cat bought for 1 Solana, sold for 1 point. Yeah, that's fine. So let's have a look at some of his other transactions. Catzilla, let's have a look at this one. Bought for 0.01. Sold, he sold for a profit, 20-30%. Yep. Let's have a look at this Catzilla. Bought half a Solana. Sold, he lost a little bit on that one. Let's see his next buy on Catzilla. 0.25. Yeah, nearly doubled his money there. So let's see this one. 0.5. Okay, lost some money there. Take a look. Michi. All right, bought this one for 2 Solana. We'll go back on the other page, and he sold it for 1.96. Okay, so I'm not too bad with this trader. He's actually making some decent profits. Let's have a look at this one. Birkin bought for 0.1. Bought some more for 1. So he's got in for 1 Solana. Then sold it all for 3.8. Yeah, really good. So I really like this trader. Let's say this trader is the one that I now want to copy trade. So now that we've found our copy trading target, we're going to go over on Trojan on Solana here. Use my link as it's going to give you a massive discount on fees when you're using Trojan on Solana. So click on my link right here. It's going to take you over to Trojan on Solana. You have to click on start at the bottom right like this, start. And now we will begin. So here is my account. You can see this is my wallet. And I've transferred a really small amount of Solana here to my wallet. It'd be really, really easy over from your Phantom wallet or something like that. So right here, where we want to come over, you can do buying, selling, positions, limit orders, DCA orders, so dollar cost averaging, copy trading, which is what we're going to be doing. There's actually LP sniping, which is really, really interesting, and I'll save that for a new video. New pairs, settings, bridging, withdrawing, very, very easy. You can actually buy really simply, buy, paste the actual contract address, bang, you're straight into the trade. We're actually going to go over to copy trading right here. So you click on copy trading. Then you can see here, we can actually begin copy trading. We click on new. We want a new target. So here, put a tag. Let's actually put and write it down here. Copy trader 2. So now he has the target copy trader 2. And now we want the target wallet. So we want to come back over here to the Sol scan and see here is the target wallet. So we click right here, we copy it, come back over to Telegram, target wallet, paste that here into Telegram. Perfect, into Trojan on Solana. Now we've got our target wallet. And now we need to adjust our buy percentage. So right now, buy percentage is set to 100%. So if our buy percentage is set to 100%, that would mean that if this trade is entering for 5 Solana, then we would also be entering for 5 Solana. So what I like to do is start with a smaller amount. To actually change the buy percentage, you can actually set it to something like 0.1 Sol. So as we're testing, let's actually set it to 0.1 Sol or even 0.5 Sol, depending on your actual trading balance. Let's actually begin with 0.25 Sol because that's what I like to trade with. So you change that over to 0.25 Sol. And what that will do is every single time this trader buys in to any particular coin, Birkin, whatever his amount is, it doesn't matter. We've actually set it to 0.25 Solana. Copy the sells is yes. So when he buys Birkin, we're going to be buying. And when he then sells out of his Birkin, we're going to be selling. So we do want to copy the sells. Then the buy gas is actually set to a decent amount, but we can actually confirm that. We can actually come over to some of these transactions and see what was the actual gas used for these transactions. We can see the transaction fee right here, 0.014. What is ours set to? 0.0. See, that's not enough. So I would actually set it to 0.015 and then sell this gas to 0.015 as well. So as much as we do have to pay a little bit more in the actual transaction cost, we want to make sure that it's going through quickly. So we want to be copying what this trader is actually paying. He's paying a really small fee. It is $2, but this transaction fee is going to make sure and ensure that your trade is going to go through seamlessly and extremely quickly. What I would actually do, since this trader is trading with a much larger amount, I'm actually going to change it to 0.01. So we'll come over to here, change it actual, click on the buy gas 0.01 and change the sell gas to 0.01. That would be absolutely fantastic. Then slippage as well. So slippage here, we do need to understand the slippage to enter the slippage amount to use on your copy trades, because what can happen is when this trader is actually buying, he's going to cause a movement in the price. And when we actually execute and instantly go in after, if the movement is too much and the slippage, say it's moved more than 15%, then it's actually not going to allow our position to get entry. It's going to cancel our position. So you actually want to set this a little bit higher. Something like 35% or even 40% isn't unheard of, because especially with these copy trading positions, there's a lot of traders always copying each other. So you get one trader copying another trader, copying another trader. So once you get one buy in the market, sometimes you get a trickle effect. We get 10 more buys quickly coming in because everyone's copy trading. So the price can move quite quickly. So you do need to allow a little bit of slippage. What this does allow for, if we actually move more than 35%, overall, your position won't be fulfilled and your order will be cancelled, and you can then look to copy the next trade. So here we perfectly set it up. We've got everything set up. Now we click add, and we're now copy trading this trader. So every time this trader actually takes a trade, we're going to be entering for 0.25 Solana. And as you can see, this trader has been doing really, really well. And with Trojan on Solana, it's super easy to actually do so. So again, make sure to sign up using the link in the description and in this comment section. These Telegram trading bots make it super easy to trade. It's actually expanding everything. Before, it was never possible to actually copy trade traders like this. Trojan on Solana, truly offering a really good platform. Again, make sure to check out everything in this description. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.